Now I'm going to show you how you can implement fast travel system in this map. So in our map system, I have to create a new folder for fast travel, create a blueprint class, fast travel. So let's add a billboard, and I'm going to select this house image on my billboard. I'm going to remove both of them. Oh no, don't remove this map system. Now I'm going to place this fast travel in our level. Now in our fast travel on event graph, let's remove this node. Open this point of interest. So we have to copy this. I have to copy this node and paste it here. Plug this on event begin play. And this is going to be, I think, on this one, end play. So I have to plug this right here. And now on this map system, I'm going to duplicate this one, and this is going to be actor point of interest. Fast travel actor reference. Let's copy this name. So we need this one. So I'm going to copy this name, and now I have to get this one and then add unique. I think we don't have to do anything right here. By default, it's going to be taking this reference. Also, if you want, you can get this reference to self. And let's call this one. And then we have to remove item. And item is going to be self. Okay. That's all. Right here. I think we can close this fast travel for now. Now in our map system, when we open our map, we have this add point of interest through main map. I'm going to open this one and let's make some space here. I'm going to add a sequence. Let's get all fast travel actor right here. For each loop, I have to plug this like that. And in our main map, we have this point of interest on main map. So I'm going to duplicate this one. This is going to be add fast travel on main map. On main map. Okay. So make sure you open this one or add fast travel on main map. I have to duplicate this one. This is going to be point of interest. Fast travel. Drag this inside our fast travel folder. So I'm going to plug it right here. This is our fast travel. So let's open this widget, fast travel. So we have to remove this node. We don't need any of them. We don't need this animation also. So in animation also we have to remove this one, otherwise we'll get some error here. And then we don't need this point of image, this one. We have to remove this image and replace this with button. So in this button is going to be button fast travel. Compile, and in style set this to image. This is going to be our house icon, this one. Set this color to white. Now on hover I'm going to set this to image, and let's set this to green. Also for press image, set this to green. That's all. Let's get this on press event, and I'm going to place it right here. Also, if you want, you can ignore this event tick. We don't need this one for now. And that's all. Okay, make sure your button is visible. Also this one we have to set this to non-editable testable self only. That's nice. Now in our map system, right here, when we open our add point of interest to widget, we have to call, let's get this main map reference, and then we have to call add point of fast travel to main map. This is going to be our ray, and we need this level actor reference. So I'm going to copy this fast travel actor reference, this one. Let's rename this to fast travel actor reference. Also this is going to be fast travel actor reference. I think we don't need this color for this one. Also fast travel button, this one also I think. Size box point of interest, okay. Also you can hide this one. We don't need this one. We have level dimension, canvas dimension, okay. Fast travel actor, okay, that's all we have to do right here. Plug this fast travel to fast travel. That's all I think. Yeah, we have this fast travel icon. Also you can click on this button here, you can see. I think I'm going to do one thing. In our main map point of interest, we have to select all of this, and in visibility set them to non-hitable testable self only. Now we can close this one. Yes, now we can place marker on this icon on. So I think in our main map, I'm going to set this visibility also non-hitable testable self only. Okay, that's all for now.